I hope you all are doing good. This is in regards to the newspaper threatening. Don't threaten people. We all are human beings. Threatening minorities there. Threatening for what? It's a simple thing. What is react will be on the people. What do you mean by that? That if I react, it will be on them. What do you mean by this statement? Mr. Star, shining like a bright star. I want you to shine for everyone and develop state. Not all this. So what do you mean that if you all react, it will be on the people? What do you mean by that statement? And the government of Meghalaya, the administration, CID is already investigating now the Ichamati issue. I'm sure you know about it. I read Shillong Times just now. It is going to the central government now. Administration must stop this terrorism happening there with the minority Hindus. Openly in Shillong Times, they say if I don't stop, what those people mean by individual from Bombay. They know my name. It's Vicky Day. Everyone knows my name. Anyone is welcome to go and file an FIR. It is my fundamental right to talk about your terrorism there. 2 days ago, a non-tribal Hindu guy is beaten in Jayao. Why? There are hundreds and thousands of people of that state coming to our West Bengal. This is West Bengal. This is Meghalaya House of West Bengal. Shillong Times and the government of Meghalaya. What is the difference? Kashmir, you are making it Kashmir. They are the terrorists in 1990s. They have been threatening openly with newspaper, telling the Kashmiri Pandits to leave the state. We are Bengal. We will not allow all this. Any pressure group is coming on a newspaper threatening openly, stating if I don't stop exposing their criminal activities, their reaction will be on the people. I'm sure you all know me, right? You have seen my election ID and everything. I'm born and brought up in Shillong, Meghalaya. I stand for my Hindu people there. Do not trouble our Bengali people, including all non-tribals. I have been requesting you many a times. But what happened a couple of days ago is really saddening, and it's an issue with the national security of India now. Openly threatening someone who is trying to stop these crimes there. You all continue with your endeavor, do whatever you want. This fight will not stop. The sinners will have to stop. This injustice has to stop. And all Meghalaya people, don't get scared of them. Kisko darta hai aap log? You are citizen of India, you are not staying in Afghanistan यार जो इतना डरता है आप लोग का दुकान से एक्सटॉर्शन करके पैसा किसी को नहीं देने का. Without government approved receipt, don't pay money to anyone. No one can touch you. I'm telling, no one can touch you. We are not here to incite any violence. We are Bengal, we never do that. But we never threatened anyone. Threatening what? My people? You want to react on them? The government of Meghalaya is allowing all this, right? Otherwise, why the Autonomous District Council is not renewing the licenses of our Hindu people there? They don't want to eat, you don't want them to survive there. Who are you to stop their businesses? The pressure groups. Simply, the district magistrate there, the one working in the district council, they say we cannot do anything. Sir, are you working under the norms of Constitution of India, or have you got your own constitution? You have to answer all this. Right now I'm in West Bengal. Very soon I'll be in New Delhi. You have to stop this overground terrorism in the name of students' organizations. I'll get back to you all soon. There would be a protest now after some time. I'll go have some tea and come back. This is my land. All right, welcome to West Bengal. We'll talk soon again. Stop this, stop all this. Don't threaten anymore. We live in a democracy. You all take care. Bye-bye.